gentlemen, hold your breath as we will be ending the suspense of the big announcement today. The Pharma Leaders Power Brand Winners 2014. Yes, this is 7th Annual Pharmaceutical Leadership Summit and Pharma Leaders Business Leadership Awards 2014. Pharma Leaders Power Brand Awards are the most prestigious annual industry awards recognized annually that acknowledge and honor individuals and organizations for their remarkable accomplishments. These are fitting tribute to those individuals and companies that have gone the extra mile to advance the excellence in healthcare through best practices and leadership. Pharma Leaders Business Leadership Awards is the premier, largest business and technology leadership awards program in the subcontinent, covering the set of prestigious awards spanning from biotech to healthcare to CEO awards. Ladies and gentlemen, Pharma Leaders Power Brand Awards are conferred to those companies and individuals who exhibit rare display of innovation for outstanding academic and professional leadership to individuals and companies. This top recognition symbolizes the best out of best from chosen few. Ladies and gentlemen, Network 7 Media Group will continue its tradition of recognizing those in the healthcare space whose work truly creates positive change. And this year's awards will highlight the magnificent delivery of work of the leaders who not only illustrates the summit's mission of healthcare empowerment, but also embodies the idea of the power of Indians. The Pharma Leaders has been tested and were thrown to the various stakeholders to vote before being crowned. We even stunned some big names when the unsung Pharma Leaders were crowned against the mighty of bigwigs. We believed in the spark of innovation year after year as we continued our quest for celebrating the ultimate Pharma Leaders experience since 1999. We were the earliest media house to recognize the talents and created Pharma Leaders platform that were imitated by many and became the trendsetters. We are happy today when we notice the rise of companies in healthcare to honor the achievers. In the early stage of our momentous journey, we recognized the veterans and legends who are now no more, but our spirit of leadership are still reverberating in the reception of companies. Late Dr. Parvinder Singh of Ranbaxy, who built India's first MNC. Dr. Anji Reddy of Dr. Reddy's Labs. Mr. Indravadan A. Modi of Cadila. Mr. Jagdish Saxena of Elder Pharmaceuticals, or the former Drug Controller General of India, DCGI. Dr. M. Venkateshwarlu are the few notable names. legendary pharma leaders who are responsible for building the India image, like Dr. Yusuf K. Hamid of Cipla, Dr. Habil Khorkiwala of Vocard, Mr. Samprada Singh of Alchem Laboratories, Dr. D.B. Gupta of Lupin, or Mr. Suresh Kare of Indoco Remedies are in the list of pharma leaders winner library. Pharma Leaders Magazine, India's first opinion-based and platform in the form of summit, where discussions are on burning issues. The historic pharmaceutical leadership summits has been addressed by some of the crucial topics of great significance by the industry leaders, policymakers, academia, etc. The defining moments which pharma leaders attempt to focus year after year is to enhance the communication of the industry and the government. Pharma Leaders Business Leadership Awards has been presented to the top performers and shining stars of the Indian healthcare industry year after year. The aim is to encourage and motivate the pharma leaders to achieve greater success in coming days. These set of awards are determined by a credible award mechanism under the supervision of prominent juries. This is what great shows do: celebrate, recognize, and encourage us all to do better is the guiding spirit. Now, in its 7th year, Pharma Leaders Awards received entries from healthcare corporations, hospitals, medical professionals, research scientists, and other allied disciplines listed in the award categories. Let's look at the awards in the individual, non-voting categories. And the winners are...
The award goes to...
Awarding the visionaries of the pharma sector